Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to online learning at NorEduCom. How are you today? Today our subject is phonics. The topic is about sound of At the end of this lesson, you will be able to pronounce the sound of correctly, recognize some words that begin with the sound of match pictures that begin with the sound of and color the pictures that begin with the sound of Let's start our class. Let's say the sound. Can you name this letter? Yes, this is letter M. What is the sound of M? The sound of M is Repeats after me. Let's go to the next slide. What is this? Yes, this is a mat. Mat. Repeats after me. Mat. Let's read. My mat. This is my mat. Let's read it again. My mat. This is my mat. What is this? Yes, this is a moon. Moon. Repeats after me. Moon. Now let's read. My moon. This is my moon. Let's read it again. My moon. This is my moon. Well done, everybody. Let's go to the next slide. What is this? Yes, this is a mug. Mug. Repeats after me. Mug. Let's read. My mug. This is my mug. Let's read it again. My mug. This is my mug. Well done, everybody. Let's go to the next slide. Can you name this picture? Yes, this is a map. Map. Repeats after me. Map. Now let's read. My map. This is my map. Let's read it again. My map. This is my map. Well done, everybody. What is this? Yes, this is milk. Milk. Repeats after me. Milk. Now let's read. My milk. This is my milk. Let's read it again. My milk. This is my milk. Very good. What is this? Yes, that's right. This is a mop. Mop. Repeats after me. Mop. Let's read. My mop. This is my mop. Let's read it again. My mop. This is my mop. Very good. Now let's match pictures that begin with the sound of M. Can you name the first picture? Yes, this is a leaf. Leaf. It starts with the sound of L, letter L, not letter M. So do not match it. Let's cross it out. Can you name the next picture? Yes, this is milk. Milk. It starts with the sound of M, letter M. So let's match to letter M. Can you name the next picture? Yes, that's right. This is a mug. Mug. It starts with the sound of M, letter M. So let's match to letter M. What about the last picture? Yes, this is a moon. Moon. It starts with the sound of M, letter M. So let's match to letter M. Well done, everybody. Now let's say the sound and then color the picture that starts with the sound. Can you name the first picture? Yes, that's right. This is a mat. Mat. It starts with the sound of letter M. So let's color it. What about the next picture? Yes, that's right. This is a lemon. Lemon. It starts with the sound of letter L, not letter M. So do not color it. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.